Good morning. I'm going to get a small movie for you. This is Mr. Hiccup. Mr. Hiccup is Harlequin blue. That means that he is a solid blue, not a tabby stripe. He is conformationally correct. His nose is high and up between his eyes as it should be. His ears point forward as they should. He's high on his toes. He has a nice short tail. And he is indeed a beautiful kitten. He's a little bit friendly, so I'm having trouble keeping him back far enough for me to get a good movie. But he is a little beauty. If you're interested in Mr. Hiccup, just email me off the website and let me know. We'll make sure he's still available. And if he is, I'll help you process the contract and get your deposit made for him. Stay back there, baby. This is Exotic DIT-DOTS. Thank you for watching.